In this video, I'm going to show you how you can update CrookCatcher app to the latest version. By updating this app, you'll be able to fix any issues that might be related to your app. You'll also have an opportunity to access the latest features that comes with CrookCatcher app. If this video helps, please like and subscribe. Now to do this, you need to access CrookCatcher app info page. Now to do this on your Android smartphone, you need to access CrookCatcher on your Google Play Store. So go to Google Play Store and then tap on search and then just search for CrookCatcher. Here it is. And you can see if I open it, we have an update, which means I've been using an outdated version of CrookCatcher app. To update, just tap on update, and this will download the latest version of CrookCatcher and finally install it on your smartphone. Now you can open and start using the latest version of CrookCatcher app. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.